And for more, we have Amritpal Singh joining us from New York. Well, Amrit, we saw a joint statement of the Quad Leaders Summit. What was the crux of the leaders' discussion?
That Quad should be used for our common global good and for the good of humanity, with the Prime Minister especially stressing that though there are concerns in certain quarters about unilateralism of particular countries, but the idea of the Quad is that they are not against any particular country. It is to collectively come for the global good and collective good of the countries of the Indo-Pacific, and they should be able to leverage their strength. So I think the central message emanating out of the 4th in-person and the 6th Quad Leaders Summit held in Delaware on day 1 of the Prime Minister's visit was very clear that the Quad is here to stay, the Quad is here to assist, and the Quad is here to deliver for the good of humanity.
All right, on day 1, the message was very clear. The Quad is here to stay. Also, Amrit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held an extremely fruitful meeting with US President Biden. How do you see the outcome?
Well, the optics of the Prime Minister's meeting with the President were very positive. You could see the warmthness in relationship. In fact, the Prime Minister telling President Biden कि जब आप अपने घर के दरवाजे खोल देते हैं, आप अपने दिल के दरवाजे खोलते हैं. That when you open the doors of your home, you open the doors of your heart. So that really conveyed the essence of the meeting. They discussed the entire gamut, use of technology for betterment, etc. But essentially, sending that message that this is an institutionalized relationship which has, though President Biden is going to hang his spurs by the end of the year, but clearly the India-US relationship has gone beyond individuals, though the human agency plays an important role, but it has gone beyond individuals and is they are looking at strengthening this relationship in the diverse areas of engagement that the two countries have.